Hi, I'm Joyce. I will share a forward thinking idea for project management. Let's learn about Trello. Let me give you an introduction about Trello. Trello is an online project management tool. Because of many advantages users have experienced when using Trello, this online project management software has become popular. Trello makes a team work a lot easier. It utilizes boards, lists, and cards that can be manipulated to utilize and prioritize projects in a flexible way. Members can work on the project, shows update without any delay. Trello makes planning easy by allowing users to create lists of their daily activities. Trello can also be used for tracking personal expenses and income. Managing a project or team will be a lot easier using Trello. Trello allows manager to oversee a project and create boards for specific members that contain their tasks. Now we need to go to www.trello.com. Next, click sign up button. You may use your email account to register, or if you have Google account, just click continue with Google. Next part, which is you are going to write the title or name for your workspace. In your workspace, you can see different boards. Here, you can also create boards through templates. So we have different templates here to choose from. It depends. But for now, I'm going to show you a simple way of creating your board. Your board is where you will add your activities that you want to be monitored. Add board title. I'm just going to use the word sample. So you can choose what design you want, and actually you may just change it later. Maybe this one. So let's start creating a list. For example, you want it just to do, and then add list, you want to add another one, doing, and then done. And then add list. All right, so we have three lists here. Now we're going to create a card. So just click that. Then let's say that you are going to work with your maybe activity 1, activity 2, or you want task 1, add card, then task 2. Let me correct that. Okay. Task. Okay. Okay. So add card. So here I have 3 activities. Now let's say I need to customize this. Okay, so I just need to click that. You can click the word task or this pencil icon. Okay, open card, edit label, change member, change cover if you want, move, and then so on. Or cards here cannot be deleted. So what you're going to do is just to place it here. Now, example. Make sure to save. Let's look at this part where you can see that there's members, labels, and then so all that. So members, just in case that you want your teammate to work with you or collaborate, you're just going to type their email address. So, okay, and then right, let me type it. Okay, send. Oh, there's my other account. Now, in case that you also want to join or be part of this task one, just add your name. Let's say that you want this to be to add colors, or if you are a visual type of person that you always want everything color coded, you can use this. Let's say you're going to pick color red, but you want also to put a word like urgent. Save. There. Then just close the label. Now checklist. Checklist is if you want to itemize things that you needed to do, you may add checklist. Add. Now after this, you may add an item. So item 1, item 2, item 3, 5. Okay, so I have 5 items under my checklist. You may convert this to card or delete, or even delete the whole checklist. And you can even comment, let's say at sign there. So please check item number 1. Save. Okay, and then next, dates. Emphasize your due date. So you can use it like maybe my start time will be Tuesday. This was yesterday. And then my due date will be like 16. And you want to be reminded, so just select like a day before. For example, I want to attach like a photo or a file from your computer, from another Trello, from Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or just a link. You can do it here. But for now, maybe let me try to add from my computer maybe a lesson. Okay, so let's select this, copy a lesson. Okay, done. Here. And then maybe I want to attach um, a picture, my logo. There you go. If you want to monitor this one closely, like you are always going to receive notification for any changes of this one watch must be checked. If not, just uncheck that one. You can share this, okay, or put it in the archive. So you can move it to doing if you want to move it. So doing. Let me just close this so that you can see. Now it's already here in under the doing list. Now let's go back. So I want to show you the checklist. Here we have 5 items to do. Now, in case that you're done with the first one, just put a check. So by clicking, and then you will see that it's moving. So item and then 5. Okay, so maybe let's put it like that. You will notice that 4, it means that you accomplished 4 out of 5, okay, which is good. Now, add more features like, yeah, you can change the background if you want, um, put stickers. So let's see, just to make it look nice and not so boring. Then okay. Yeah, if you want to watch, archive, copy the board. And if you want to give the link to this board, you can see it here. Power ups. Let's add power up. So there's one thing that they're using here. Big picture. Let's try. I added this already. My other boards. Now I want to try it here. Okay, so how will you know that it's already installed? When you see it here. So let's close this and then, but it will take quite some time before you can see this. But let's try. Okay, good. Quite fast. Now, now you will see here that I have my task here, and then there's even the urgent. Okay, and you can see the due date, and then also your time frame. That will make it easy for you to monitor that different tasks that needs to be accomplished. Right, so I hope you enjoy or you find this very useful, and then hope to see you again with my next tutorial.